Hello, I go by the name Oswell Eresi Adepasini, a first-year student of KOBI Girls Senior High School, offering STEM as a course. So the course STEM is about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So with our program, in our school, we deal with the aerospace engineering. That's the building of planes and drones. So it's not that I chose mechanical engineering as a course, but it's involved in the STEM course. So we are on vacation and we were given official letters to go to various places for internship. So we came here to the mechanical field, yes, to learn some petty things that can help us in the building of our project. Because I think next semester we'll be building a plane that can be powered by engine. So with engine, it's definitely in the mechanical field. So we are here to learn some petty things. Not yet, but I have received motivation because yes, I'm a girl. And then we all know, or most Ghanaians have it in mind that this field is for men. But we are girls and we are here. Yes, we are here. We want to do something so that maybe in the near future, we can also be brought out as female ladies so that we'll be also prominent in the country. Okay, so to my fellow ladies or my fellow mates, I will encourage you, if only you're having the passion for it, forget about what people are saying. Continue being passionate for it, gather some things, and then find your way out. Because at the end of all this, you might be at a greater point that could not even expect it. So my motivation for my fellow mates is they should focus. Only if they are having the passion for it, they should keep it up and try.
Here at Chief Mechanical Workshop, there are so many tasks that we do here, especially taking care of these beautiful mechanical cars. And this is part of the education received here at Chief Mechanical Workshop.